In this video, I'll show you how to buy an Amazon gift card with Google Pay. To do this, you can use this website called Giftia, as they allow you to buy Amazon gift cards and also many other gift cards, and they have Google Pay as a payment method. So what you want to do is just gonna search for Amazon on giftia.com and then select Amazon from there. Now you can choose how much you would like to do. It can be between $5 and $500. So let's say I want to gift $50. I can just select that. Then you can choose a wrapper design. So default, add a photo, video, or pre-designed. Then just click continue. Now from there you can choose if you want it to be delivered through a text message or over email. You can choose how many recipients you want to have. And then from there to ask how would you like this to be delivered, and it can be up to 6 months from today. So you can just set a delivery date and write a custom message, then click add to cart. Now from there you can choose to log in if you have an account, or you can just click guest checkout. Then here enter your purchaser details, so your details, first name, last name, phone number and email address. Now from there just go and click next, and then you can select your payment method, and then there you can just gonna select Google Pay as your payment method and confirm the payment. Now you can see on Reddit someone asked what's the best site to purchase Amazon e-gift cards with Google Pay, and here people are also saying it's this one, and people have used it, so it is also a legit website, so therefore I would personally do it through there. So now you know how you can buy an Amazon gift card with Google Pay. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.